Hey guys, Kim here from Kim on a Whim, and I thought I would just jump right in here. I am going to be doing a nighttime cleanup as a power hour. So I'm giving myself 1 hour to get some dishes done, some laundry put away that's been piling up through the day, clean the bathroom a little bit, do a little bit of vacuuming. So, all right guys, let's jump into it.
You're a rebel, getting into trouble. You are kinda like a fire, like a fire, like a fire. Unpredictable, so original. You are never backing down, backing down, backing down. That's what I like about you. So dangerous, I get this rush when I'm with you. I go all in to lose or win. Build things up to knock 'em down. It's the way we keep our high, moving like a hurricane. There will come a time for when we can wash away your sins, settle down, but until then, we're like a You're so different, kind of ignorant. You don't care what people say, people say, people say. I'm going crazy for you, baby. Don't know how you're making me feel this way. What can I say? That's what I like about you. So dangerous, I get this rush when I'm with you. I go all in to lose or win. Build things up to knock 'em down. It's the way we keep our high, moving like a hurricane. There will come a time for when we can wash away our sins, settle down, but until then, we're like a
Hey guys, in the comment section below, let me know what you think your biggest obstacle is in getting stuff done. I know for me personally, it's my OCD. Like I have the intentions of doing this power hour, and I actually did get a good amount of stuff done within that hour. However, my OCD starts to kick in and I start to pick at things. For instance, my countertops. I have tile countertops and I do love them, but it's not a solid surface. So I have grout lines and I find myself meticulously going through grout lines with the sponge so that I can get every grout line and the cross section. And this is when my OCD kicks in, and then I try to get stuff done quickly, but it just never seems to work out for me. So like I said, let me know in the comment section below what you think your biggest obstacle is in just getting stuff done.
I don't usually fall for someone. I don't even care who I run from. You're You're too much to calm me down. Oh, you're another kind. Oh, you're another kind. Oh, you're another kind. You're another kind. Oh, you're another so let's stay young and in love. We should focus on us forever. Yeah, baby, if you are feeling like I do, we could run away across the ocean. Baby, what you say? We can leave today. Anywhere we'll go, we'll be alright. It's all about you. It's all about you. It's all about you. It's all about you. Doesn't matter if we make mistakes, which I can promise that we'll do. Just hold my hand and we will be okay. Yeah, it's true. 'Cause we got all the time in the world. For better or worse, we should stay together. So let's stay young and in love. We should focus on us forever. Yeah, baby, if you are feeling like I do, we could run away across the ocean. Baby, what you say? We can leave today. Anywhere we'll go, we'll be alright. It's all about you. It's all about you. It's all about you. It's all about you.
Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and the bell notifications, because as of today, my kids are officially started their school year. So I'm hoping that now that they're back in school, I can start pumping out some more videos. I tried to spend like the last 2 weeks just hanging out with them and trying to get fun stuff in, all the summer that we could get in the last 2 weeks. And if you follow me over on Instagram, I did post a picture of my daughter who just started college. Mia just started college. She's going for her nursing degree. And my son has, my little guy that I call him, who's not so little because I got to look up to him now, has just started high school. So the kids are finally back in school. I shouldn't say finally. I enjoyed having the summer with them. But yeah, be sure to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so that you can see more videos that are going to be popping along your way. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks guys. Bye.